Hi, I'm Mrs. Sangeeta Mehrotra, Principal of Shrendra Dev Singh International School CBSE, Ghatkopar, Mumbai. Actually, it was very interesting, and if I see from the point of view of the students, it is very useful because now the education system has completely changed. When in CBSE, we are always talking about experiential learning and self-study, and now after National Education Policy, there is a lot of changes which is happening in the schools. And at this point, I think this kind of programs are important for the students because that is developing their intelligence. And at the same time, the best part is that every student can do it on their own pace. So otherwise, what happens in the class, the students, those who are not able to go up to that level, they are struggling. And the teachers, they have a time limit. So they cannot concentrate more on such students. So then what happens, the teachers are not able to pay attention to such students, and the students then they lack the confidence. And with such programs, I think the students will develop the confidence and they will be able to do something on their own. That is why it is very important to have such programs. Yes, we are having IT program. Our teachers are teaching IT program, and we are going as per the guidelines of CBSE. So the program which you all are talking about, Liberate, that is already introduced in by CBSE in 9th and 10th standard from this year. So that is one benefit which I can see is ki our 9th and 10th standard, if right from 6th standard, if we are teaching that to the students, so then it will be very much beneficial when they will reach to 9th standard and 10th standard. Yes, I came around across the open sources when I was teaching at B.Ed college and a part of Mumbai University. So that time during training sessions we came across this open sources and we are using certain open sources, and I am always guiding my students. So yes, I feel this is a very good platform for the students to learn. Yes, of course. I would like to go. I'll have to see how we can go about because our school is a new school, and at present the number of students from 6th to 9th are very less. But then also I will connect with the people and I will find it out how we can go about it. I will surely recommend to the other schools also. And I feel actually, if I'll see, I feel disappointed because CBSE has asked the principal. Then also there were not so many principal who participated in today's program. In fact, they would have been actually benefited if they would have participated. That is what I think. See, first of all, I will convince my management, though they are very progressive, and I don't think they will have any issue in implementing. And once that is implemented, then through my students I can convince the other people, and definitely I will speak to the other principals also. They should think about, because see ma'am, if you will see, most of the schools are going for such programs, maybe by some private organizations or something, but there we are not having so many open resources. There they are having limited programs, standardized programs are there. Like if I talk about extra marks or Whitefield or something like that, so they are having standardized programs, and most of the schools are having such programs. So why not to go for, and it is connected to IIT, so that is having some reputation. So I will definitely talk to the principals about that.